So now let's make the card flip when we click it. The first thing we have to do is to make a list of all memory card elements and store it inside a constant named cards. To do that, we are going to use document.querySelector all, passing the memory card class. So then we are going to loop through that list, and to each one of the cards we are going to attach an event listener. We are going to listen for a click event, and whenever that event is fired, we are going to execute a function named flipCard. Let's declare the flipCard function. And let's log a message to see if it's working. And let's also see what's inside the this keyword. Okay, because this value is dynamically set according to the context. So let's see in this context what our this keyword represents. So you can see our function is being called, and inside the this variable we can see that we have our memory card. So in this context, the this keyword represents the element that fired the event. Okay? So what we want here is to access the class list of the memory card and to toggle the flip class. What toggle means is if the class is there, remove it. If it's not, add it. Okay, so let's navigate to our Elements tab. And we can see that it's toggling the class. So back in styles.css, let's add that flip class. So we want to select the memory card element that also has a flip class. Remember that there's no space between the names because the two classes belong to the same element. Okay? So when the flip class is present, we are going to rotate the y-axis 180 degrees.